Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are officially on day 21 of my 25 Days of Christmas Gifts for Him series. I can't believe we're almost done. This is the last of 4, which means we're coming down to the final days, final gift ideas, and final highlights. Guys, I really hope that you guys are enjoying all of these videos and that you're going back to check out all of my previous videos. It's not too late to get your hands on some, if not all, of the products that I've highlighted over the last 20 days, but you guys cannot wait. If you're liking any of these items, you have to go get them now because guys, we are literally 4 days from Christmas. If this is the first time you've checked out my channel, welcome and happy holidays. Make sure you guys are giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are also pressing that subscribe button and hitting that bell so that you don't miss any of my series or any upcoming videos after the series. Today's video is about something that honestly all of us guys, we will need sooner or later, and that is a great grooming kit. Ladies and gentlemen, listen to me. Every man deserves a very good one that can handle trimming beards, lining themselves, being a good set of clippers period for their hair. Sooner or later, we need to invest in a great grooming kit. It's important that we have this because men, we know that grooming ourselves is so important. One of the most important things about self-care is making sure that you feel good on the inside and looking good on the outside. Which is why I wanted to show you guys my new grooming kit that has changed the game. It's coming from Amazon and it's called Fade King's Professional Hair Clippers. When I tell you that these clippers are a game changer, I mean it. Now, let's take a look at these kits. First off, the Fade King clippers and beard trimmer come in a travel kit. You keep these in here at all times. Guys, this means that these are easily able to come with us anywhere we go. Plus, we have a way to keep it organized and making sure that we keep all of the accessories that come with it all together. This kit comes with 2 cordless devices. One, guys, I went with the gold and bronze. Look at this. This is their cordless clippers. It has an LCD display screen right up front that lets you know exactly how much battery power you have and what power setting you are on. When I tell you these are powerful, easy to clean, they feel good in your hand, this is simply one of the best set that I've gotten. Now, I have gotten a lot of my clippers and trimmers from Walmart, Walgreens, Target, and I've spent up to like $89.99 on them, and they still wasn't the quality that I was looking for. They weren't actual barber clippers, which is honestly we all need. We need professional clippers and beard trimmers, even if we're doing our own face. So that's why I really wanted to go with these. These clippers are truly professional clippers. They have so many capabilities. We're talking about the adjustable blades that allow for amazing fading. For you guys with short hair who like to fade in, this is for you. They have precision accuracy in these as well. These are truly professional hair clippers. I mean, we're talking right out of a barbershop, guys. If you don't have that kind of quality, we are not truly taking care of ourselves. This has one of the best motors inside of it and one of the longest battery lifespans that we will probably see in a reasonable priced hair clippers. These clippers come with everything required to be a professional barber, and if you have a high standards home. We're talking all 9 clipper adjustments. We are talking the kit itself. We're also talking about cleaning brush, also blade covers, storage case, which we obviously need, and like I said, it's perfect for traveling as well. DC and USB charging, and guys, I have something else to show you guys. One of the coolest things that it comes with, its own barber cape. Guys, I've used it. I make sure when I'm trimming my face, I use this to make sure I get nothing on me and it all goes right into the sink. This is pretty cool. This is truly one of the most professional kits that you can get. It has everything you needed. I mean, a literal barber cape comes with it. And it has one of the most stabilized systems built into it. Game changer. And we haven't even talked about the uniqueness and dopeness of the beard trimmer itself. Now, we saw that this was the golden bronze edition, but look at the beard trimmer. This has so much detail in it. We're talking pirate skull on the back. It is fully designed on there. This is amazing. So much uniqueness to it, and the power in this small trimmer is amazing. Now, I will say the other color sets do not come with the trimmer as well. They all are just the clippers by themselves, so you do see a price difference. Just the clippers by themselves is $41 on Amazon. However, with the beard trimmer, we're looking at $69.99. But when I tell you it was beyond worth the price, I mean it. Every guy should have at least one good set of clippers and trimmers. We should be taking care of our bodies and making sure that we are dealing with all the hair, not just our face, but everywhere. And you can't do that with these cheap razors or cheap clippers that we're spending $20, $25 on. There are certain things that we should be putting that extra money in. And this is one of those kits that gives you everything you need. This is the perfect grooming kit for any guy at any age. And for your teenagers, this is a great way to start their grooming process young, and for them to understand that quality of their products is so important when it comes to self-care. But I want to know what you all think about this kit. Do you think that the guys in your life will want this kit? Do they already have one like this? What are some brands that they like? Because I want to look at those too. It's not too crazy to have more than one grooming kit. But let me know in the comments what you all thought. I really like this one. I really like how unique they looked and how creative they were. And I really do like the quality of this product. So let me know what you all think, and show these to some guys and let me know what they said about them too. While I have you, make sure you guys are going back to check out my other 20 videos. All of them are a fun watch with great highlights on brands. These brands have been so appreciative of these highlights. They've been reaching out, which has been great, and really liking my reviews on their products. And all of my products that I am speaking of, I have them. I use them. I wear them. All of them. So go back and check them out and let me know what you think about those as well, guys. Some of those items are limited edition, so I don't want to just tell you about them and you can't get them. So make sure you're going to get them as soon as possible. It's never too late to put 1 or 2 extra gifts under that tree for him. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys are pressing that subscribe button and hitting that bell, because that's how I know what you all are liking. We want to see this channel grow as much as possible so that I can continue to make content for you guys. But that's it for today. As always, guys, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays.